What if I told you that two ordinary-looking $1 coins in the United States could secretly be worth millions today? Coins most people ignored, spent, or lost forever. One carries the face of Susan B. Anthony, a symbol of change and controversy. The other shines in gold with Sacagawea's legacy of courage and survival. These coins don't scream wealth, they whisper it. And for the few who understand their true power, they hold the potential to change life overnight. Before you spend a single dollar, watch this carefully, because history, rarity, and fortune may already be in your hands. The coin number 1. The 1979 Susan B. Anthony $1 coin is not just a piece of metal. It is a silent witness to one of the boldest experiments in American coinage history. When this coin first entered circulation, millions of people ignored it, confused it with a quarter, or dismissed it as ordinary pocket change. Yet hidden within this overlooked dollar lies a story of ambition, controversy, rarity, and unimaginable wealth. This coin carries the face of Susan B. Anthony, a woman who fought relentlessly for equality. And in doing so, the coin itself inherited a rebellious spirit. Today, certain examples of this $1,979 are no longer coins. They are financial miracles capable of transforming an ordinary life into unimaginable fortune overnight. In 1979, the United States attempted something historic. Introducing a small-sized dollar coin meant to modernize commerce and honor a powerful American legacy. The result was a coin that confused the public, but fascinated collectors. While most people spent it without a second thought, a small number of these coins were struck under unusual circumstances. Tiny differences in metal flow, strike pressure, and die preparation that only time would reveal as extraordinary. These early production moments created coins that would later escape circulation and quietly enter the realm of legend. What once bought coffee could, under the right condition, now stand among the most valuable modern American coins ever imagined. What truly separates an ordinary 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar from a $1 million treasure is condition and character. Coins that never felt the wear of daily life, that preserved their sharp edges, mirrored surfaces, and flawless details, became survivors of time. Some carry striking features so bold and clean, they appear sculpted rather than minted. Others possess rare strike qualities that create an almost electric visual appeal when light touches the surface. These are the coins collectors dream of. Coins that feel alive in the hand, as if they were never meant to be spent but destined to be discovered decades later. The magic of this coin lies in how history and chance collide. No one in 1979 imagined that a coin rejected by the public would later command life-changing sums. That rejection is exactly what preserved many high-grade examples, locked away in drawers, forgot collections, or untouched government storage. As years passed, collectors began to recognize that rarity is not always about age. It is about survival. A perfect Susan B. Anthony dollar from 1979 is rare not because few were made, but because almost none survived in immaculate condition. That rarity fuels demand, and demand fuels prices that sound impossible to those outside the coin world. When a top-tier collector looks at a pristine 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar, they are not seeing $1. They are seeing a frozen moment in American history. They see a coin that represents a turning point, a risk taken by the U.S. Mint, and a symbol of change that came before its time. In elite auctions, these coins are not bought casually. They are fought over. Wealthy collector investors and institutions recognize that coins like this do not lose value. They become stronger with every passing decade. Ownership becomes power, and power drives prices into the millions. There's something almost dangerous about underestimating this coin. Many people still have Susan B. Anthony dollars stored away, assuming they are common and worthless. That assumption has already cost some individuals their financial destiny. Selling such a coin without understanding its true condition and potential is like throwing away a winning lottery ticket before checking the numbers. This coin has the ability to change fortunes overnight, but only for those who respect it, protect it, and recognize its true identity. The difference between poverty and prosperity can sometimes be as thin as the edge of a single dollar coin. The phrase, "Don't spend it," has never been more real than with the 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar. Spending it at face value is not just a mistake. It is a financial tragedy. Coins of this caliber belong in protective holders, expert hands, and serious conversations, not cash registers. Their worth is not measured by what they can buy today, but by what they represent tomorrow. As inflation rises and tangible assets gain importance, rare coins like this become safe havens for wealth, immune to market panic and digital uncertainty. Collectors often say that coins choose their owners, and this coin is a perfect example. If you possess a high-grade 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar, you're not just holding money, you are holding opportunity, history, and destiny combined. This is the kind of coin that turns ordinary people into overnight millionaires when properly recognized and presented to the right market. It does not shout its value. It whispers it, waiting patiently for the right moment to reveal its power. In the end, the 1979 Susan B. Anthony $1 coin stands as a reminder that fortune favors awareness, patience, and respect for history. It teaches us that greatness is often ignored before it is celebrated, and that wealth sometimes hides in plain sight. If this coin has found its way into your life, do not rush, do not underestimate, and above all, do not let it go cheaply. Because in the world of rare coins, one small decision can separate an ordinary future from a legendary one. The coin number 2. The 2002 Sacagawea $1 coin is one of the most misunderstood modern coins in American history, quietly hiding extraordinary potential behind a golden glow that millions of people ignored. When this coin entered circulation, it felt ordinary to the public, almost too modern to be special. Yet history has a habit of disguising its greatest treasures in plain sight. This coin carries the image of Sacagawea, a woman who guided a nation through unknown lands, and symbolically, this dollar does the same for those who truly understand it. What looks like everyday pocket change can, under the right conditions, become a life-altering artifact worth unimaginable sums in today's market. In 2002, the Denver Mint struck Sacagawea dollars during a time when demand for dollar coins was uncertain and public interest was fading. That lack of enthusiasm created a perfect storm for rarity. Many coins were struck, but very few were respected, preserved, or protected. Most were spent, scratched, mishandled, or forgotten. Only a tiny fraction survived in exceptional condition, untouched by circulation, time, or human carelessness. These survivors are not common coins anymore. They are silent elites, standing far above the rest, carrying value that multiplies with every passing year. The true power of a 2002 Sacagawea dollar lies in condition. Coins that appear flawless, with sharp details, smooth surfaces, strong strikes, and glowing originality, exist in a completely different universe than worn examples. These coins look almost unreal, as if they were frozen the moment they were born. Collectors do not chase age alone. They chase perfection, and perfection is brutally rare. A coin that escapes scratches, fingerprints, and dullness becomes a time capsule. In the elite collecting world, perfection creates obsession, and obsession creates million-dollar competition. There's also something deeply psychological about this coin. It represents a moment when America tried to redefine everyday money, and that attempt quietly failed in the public eye. But failure in circulation often equals success in collecting. Because the Sacagawea dollar never fully captured daily use, many pristine examples were tucked away, ignored, or stored without intention. Decades later, those forgotten coins awaken as financial giants. What once had no attention now commands it fully, proving that value is not born from popularity, but from survival. When a top-tier collector looks at a flawless 2002 Sacagawea dollar, they do not see $1. They see a symbol of transition, a modern coin with ancient scarcity rules. They see a piece of metal that resisted time, chance, and destruction. In private sales and high-level negotiations, coins like this are not discussed openly. They move quietly, changing hands at levels that shock ordinary collectors. The market for elite modern coins is fierce, emotional, and driven by prestige. Owning one of the finest known examples is not about money alone. It is about legacy and dominance. This is why selling such a coin cheaply can be one of the biggest financial mistakes a person ever makes. Many people unknowingly release coins that could have reshaped their future, simply because they lack patience or understanding. The 2002 Sacagawea dollar, when found in exceptional condition, has a potential to unlock wealth beyond imagination. It is not a quick sale coin. It is a destiny coin. The difference between spending it and protecting it can be the difference between an ordinary life and financial freedom. The phrase "don't spend it" becomes almost sacred when talking about this coin. Spending it at face value is like tearing a winning ticket before checking the result. This coin deserves silence, protection, and expert eyes. Its worth is not loud. It grows quietly, strengthening as modern collectors realize that the greatest rarities of the future are hiding in plain sight today. As markets shift and digital wealth feels unstable, tangible assets like rare coins become anchors of real value. The most fascinating part is how this coin mirrors Sacagawea herself. Just as she guided explorers through uncharted territory without recognition, this coin guides informed collectors toward hidden wealth without announcing itself. It rewards awareness, patience, and respect. Those who recognize its importance early position themselves ahead of the world. This is not just collecting. This is foresight. And foresight has always been the foundation of great fortunes. In the end, the 2002 Sacagawea $1 coin is a reminder that history does not always shout. Sometimes it whispers. Fortune does not always come wrapped in gold bars. Sometimes it rests quietly in a small golden dollar. If you have this coin, especially in exceptional condition, do not rush, do not underestimate, and do not let it go cheaply. Because coins like this do not just tell history, they create it. And for the right person, they have the power to change life overnight.